Ever tried building a website and immediately face-planted into a wall of techie words, domain, hosting, DNS, servers? It's like you're suddenly expected to speak a whole new language, and every tutorial just throws more jargon your way. I've been there. Trust me, mixing up domain and hosting is one of the most common beginner mistakes. It's totally normal to feel lost at first, but you're not alone. But here's the thing. Understanding the difference is your first big win in the world of web creation. Let's clear it up once and for all. Once you get this, everything else about building your site will make so much more sense. Picture your website as a house. Imagine you're building your dream home from scratch. Think about it. The house itself, with all your furniture, photos, and secret snack stash, that's your web hosting. It's the actual space where all your stuff lives. From your homepage to your contact form and every image you upload. Hosting is just a computer, always online, storing your website's files so people can visit anytime. These powerful computers, called servers, are working 24/7 to make sure your site is always available no matter where your visitors are in the world. But how do friends find your house? Right, your address. Without an address, your house is just sitting there, impossible to find. That's your domain name. www.yourawesomesite.com is like a big, shiny signpost at the sidewalk. It's what people type in to reach you, and it's how your site stands out from the millions of others online. Without an address, nobody can visit, even if you have the coolest house on the block. Your site could be amazing, but if no one knows where to find it, it might as well not exist. And if you only have an address but no house, well, all your visitors will find is nothing. It's like sending someone to an empty plot of land. There's just nowhere to go. So you need both, the house and the address. They work together to make your website accessible and real on the internet. Now let's dig deeper. There's a little more magic happening behind the scenes every time you visit a website. When you type google.com into your browser, it's sort of like flipping through a digital phone book. Your computer doesn't understand names, it speaks in numbers called IP addresses. Every website has its own unique number, kind of like a phone number for computers. That's where the domain name system, or DNS, comes in. DNS is the internet's phone book, instantly translating easy names into those weird number codes behind the scenes. It's what lets you use simple names instead of memorizing a string of numbers for every site you want to visit. So you never have to remember 192.something something, just the name. DNS does all the heavy lifting, so you can focus on what matters, finding the sites you love. Back to your website's house, hosting. This is where all your website's content is stored, ready to be delivered to anyone who visits. Inside, it's packed with files, images, videos, a homepage, all the stuff that makes your site unique. Every page, every blog post, every product photo lives here safe and sound. When someone finds your address and knocks, the hosting server grabs everything they need, sends it to their computer, which then builds your website right before their eyes, all in a blink. It's a seamless process that happens in milliseconds, making your site appear as if by magic. Let's recap, just to make sure it's crystal clear. Your domain is the address. It's what people type in to find you. Hosting is the house. It's where all your website's content lives and is served up to visitors. They're totally different, but they have to work together for your website to exist online. Without both, your site simply can't be found or visited. And hey, getting started couldn't be easier. You don't need to be a tech genius. Just a few clicks and you're on your way. Most providers, including us at Your Hosting Business Name, let you grab your domain and set up hosting all in one place. No confusion, no tech headaches. Everything you need is right at your fingertips, so you can focus on building your dream site. So, ready to claim your spot on the internet? Your website journey starts with just one step. Click the link below, snag your perfect domain, and pick a hosting plan to launch your dream website. It's never been easier to get your ideas online and share them with the world. If you found this helpful, hit follow for more beginner-friendly web tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.